Yan. Titingnan nyo guys, yung mga damo, yung ibang puno, wala na dahon. Siguro ganyan talaga kainit dito, no? Grabe, oh. Summer na talaga. Gandang-ganda tayo nung una dyan, ah.
I'm standing on the highest ledge, right on the world's most windy edge, and making a brand new pledge to never live my life in fear, to make my purpose crystal clear. The reason that I'm standing here, my heart is beating like a drum for all the things that are to come. Take a breath and make the leap, a promise I will always keep. This is in this amazing magic place. I'm running in a different race. Not one of slow and steady pace, but one of style and one of grace. A challenge I will now embrace. The adrenaline is all I need to plant a new and hopeful seed. You only get one life to live, so take the chances that it gives. Be brave and strong and positive, and find a new narrative. This is the adventure of a lifetime, a moment that is so sublime. I'm in my own true happy prime, committing a most perfect crime. The adventure of a lifetime, I'm ringing my own victory chime. The adventure of a lifetime, and I am not wasting any
Okay na?